Assalamu alaikum. Lesson 29, a glimpse of a day with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The day of the Prophet was built around the salawat, that is prayers. He would lead the obligatory prayers in the mosque. After the prayers, it was customary for him to do dhikr and guide the companions on religious matters. He would also go outside if needed. He used to pray Asr at its early time. Sometimes all his wives would gather in one place and he would guide them on different issues. After Maghrib, he would go to the house of the wife whose turn it was on that day. After Isha, if there was any important matter, he would discuss it. Before sleeping, the Prophet would perform ablution, use a miswak and apply kuhl, that is eyeliner. On his bed, he would recite prayers and the Quran. He would go to sleep early in the night and then wake up for the tahajjud prayer. To know more, read the books on Seerah. May Allah help us to follow the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Watch our 5-minute series on YouTube for details.